Yeah, I already replaced the inner and outer fenders on both sides of the hood. Working on the front end. I gotta paint that grill right there, but I gotta prime it and stuff like that. Well, things I need to do later. Still gotta work on the interior. On my junk. Rumbling the neighborhood here. Yeah, I did all this today. Yep. That's about it. What we got going on. Got the comp cam thumper going there. Flat tap lifters. All that's gonna come back from the mechanic. I was gonna move my Dr. Pepper out of the way. And she got a nice sound there. Alright, hope you like it.